Hey guys, today I will be doing the dead life glitch. Well, I call it that. You might not know what it is, whatever, but I'm just gonna try. It's simple. You just make an account and you delete it, and you have to log in again. 3 steps easy. But I don't know if it's easy to me. By the way, there's a scammer right here. Her username is toxic, but she just deleted her user. So that's a problem. I don't know what her real user is. So I'm just gonna make an account name, whatever. I don't know. So the name. Oh, I know. The Reign of the Dead. Sounds spooky enough. What? Oh, fine. Name. Raining Llamas. And 4, 1, 2, 3. If you guys hate llamas, then I'm afraid of you. What? By the way, the P is lol 1, 2, 3. Like every day, bruh. That is every day. If you guys have poor skill of drawing, you're the same as me. But in real life, it's really easy to draw. In computer, you have a mouse or anything. With the mouse, it's so hard. Like God, like it's so hard. You can't even spell your name that good. It's like doing your. It's like you're drawing with your left hand. I think left is this way. I mean left is this way, not right. So yeah. Oh man, I forgot. I should have made it look scary. Make it look what? By the way, guys, do not trust anyone that's offering you how many VIP. It's not worth it. Like that. And by the way, guys, if you make an account and you're non VIP, like doing the drip hop glitch, it's very easy. You can buy your VL there, but not the expensive one. Like, oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Oh. No, it's too fast. 1,000 tries. Let's do this. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna try if I will nail it. Okay, be right back. Okay, guys, I just made the account. And by the way, guys, if you have no email and you do this, don't ever do that. I've tried it before and I had no email, and you can never get in the account again. Like, dude, I was so, and I was like, back me. And I was so scared. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh yeah. Who's the good? Yes. I finally did it. Like, thank Lord. Yes. Ha ha. Wait, am I really deleted user? That a life glitch. User tralala. "28 years old." Yes. God, I actually deleted. Apa? Maksudnya mama? Nah, nggak tahu. Udah. Hi, I'm new. Nerimi. What? What? It's so funny. I don't know what people see. Like, oh my god. Whoa. A name. I have a name. Hepma. Hepma. Her name was too long anymore. She's not a hacker. You're smart. You win. You're smart. You win. Yes. Unless I put email. Ooh. Alright. Dang it. I need to go to it. But guys, I don't need you guys know my email because it's really personal. Okay guys, I just confirmed it, so let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, whatever. What was the name again? Raining Llama. And lol123. Ah man. Let's see if I have my What? Yeah, that's my mail. Not really my mail. My friend's mail. 28 years old. It is raining on. You're evil, MSB, you're evil. I'm alright. Well, that is for today. It's really fun trolling. I'm gonna do some more. Bye.